Hi, today we are at Friendly Truck Driving School and we will be doing wheel fasteners. So a first visual inspection is there are no cracked or damaged wheel fasteners. Then we're going to give them a good crank, tight and secure, tight and secure, tight and secure, tight and secure, tight and secure. There are no cracked or damaged wheel fasteners. They're all tight and secure. There are no loose or missing fasteners. There is no gap between the wheel fasteners and the wheel rim. We're going to check between the wheels, the two rims where they're mated together. There is no gap, indicating a failure of fasteners. And then at the very back of the wheel, we're going to be checking for oil leak, a wheel seal leak, or any indication of a bearing failure, which there is none. So, then we are going to check here, item number 22 on the schedule 1, wheels and fasteners. Minor defect, there's no minor defect listed for this item. A major defect would be the wheel has a loose, missing, or ineffective fastener, or evidence of an imminent wheel, hub, or bearing failure. In case of a major defect, you would note it in your logbook, you would contact the operator, you would not drive the vehicle until this is corrected.